Proteinuria worsening. These 6 foods could be damaging your kidneys. Proteinuria means there's too much protein in your urine, which can be a sign of kidney damage. Healthy kidneys are supposed to filter waste from your blood and keep important nutrients, like protein, in your body. When kidneys aren't working properly, protein leaks into the urine. If this condition worsens, it can lead to more severe kidney problems or even kidney failure. One of the biggest ways you can protect your kidneys is by eating the right foods. Some foods can worsen kidney damage, increase the strain on your kidneys, and make proteinuria more severe. To help protect your kidneys and improve your health, it's important to know what to avoid. Let's look at 6 foods that could be harming your kidneys and worsening proteinuria. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats are loaded with salt and preservatives. High sodium levels make your kidneys work harder to remove the extra salt from your body. This added pressure can worsen kidney damage and lead to high blood pressure, which is one of the main causes of kidney disease. Processed meats are also high in unhealthy fats and chemicals that can cause inflammation in the body. For people with proteinuria, eating processed meats regularly can make the condition worse and accelerate kidney damage. What you can do: instead of processed meats, choose fresh, lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, or fish. Be sure to cook them with little or no salt to reduce the burden on your kidneys. 2. Foods high in salt. Aside from processed meats, many packaged and fast foods are loaded with salt. Canned soups, frozen meals, chips, crackers, and even some breads contain high levels of sodium. Excess salt increases blood pressure, and high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney problems. For people with proteinuria, a high sodium diet forces the kidneys to work harder, which worsens the condition. Salt also causes water retention, which can lead to swelling in the legs, feet, and hands, common symptoms in people with kidney problems. Over time, consuming too much sodium can cause long-term damage to your kidneys and make proteinuria harder to manage. What you can do: prepare meals at home using fresh ingredients. Season your food with herbs, spices, garlic, or lemon juice instead of salt. Look for low-sodium options when buying packaged foods, and avoid adding extra salt to your meals. 3. Sugary foods and drinks. Sugary sodas, energy drinks, candy, and desserts can damage your kidneys, especially if you have diabetes. Diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease and proteinuria. When your blood sugar levels are too high, it can damage the small blood vessels in your kidneys. Over time, this reduces your kidneys' ability to filter waste properly. Even if you don't have diabetes, consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, increasing your risk of kidney disease. Sugary foods also provide little nutritional value, which means they don't help your body heal or stay healthy. What you can do: replace sugary drinks like sodas with water, herbal teas, or infused water with fresh fruits like lemon or cucumber. For a sweet treat, choose low-sugar fruits like berries, apples, or pears instead of candy or pastries. 4. Red meat. While protein is an important part of a healthy diet, too much protein can put extra stress on your kidneys. Red meat, like beef, pork, and lamb, is especially hard on your kidneys because it contains high levels of protein and saturated fat. For people with proteinuria, consuming too much red meat can worsen kidney function and increase the amount of protein lost in urine. Overeating red meat may also cause inflammation, which can speed up kidney damage. If you have proteinuria, limiting your intake of red meat can help reduce the strain on your kidneys and slow down the progression of kidney disease. What you can do? Cut back on red meat and choose healthier protein sources like fish, chicken, or plant-based proteins such as beans, lentils, and tofu. These options are easier for your kidneys to handle and provide essential nutrients without overloading your system. 5. Fried and fatty foods. Foods that are fried are high in unhealthy fats, like French fries, fried chicken, and processed snacks, can harm your kidneys. These foods are often loaded with trans fats and saturated fats, which contribute to inflammation in the body. Inflammation can worsen kidney damage and make it harder for your body to heal. Fatty foods are also linked to weight gain and high cholesterol, both of which can increase the risk of kidney disease. For people with proteinuria, avoiding fried and fatty foods is an important step in protecting kidney health. What you can do? Instead of frying your food, try baking, grilling, or steaming. Use healthier fats, like olive oil or avocado, instead of butter or lard. Incorporate foods rich in healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, and fish like salmon or mackerel, into your diet. 6. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are high in protein, phosphorus, and potassium. While these nutrients are important for overall health, too much can overload your kidneys if they're not functioning properly. For people with proteinuria, consuming large amounts of dairy can worsen kidney strain and contribute to further damage. High phosphorus levels from dairy can also weaken your bones over time, as the kidneys struggle to maintain a proper balance of minerals in the blood. Limiting dairy intake can help reduce the burden on your kidneys and prevent complications. What you can do? Consider low-phosphorus dairy alternatives, such as almond milk, rice milk, or oat milk. These options are easier on your kidneys and still provide some of the nutrients you need. How to protect your kidneys with a healthy diet? If you have proteinuria, making changes to your diet is one of the most effective ways to protect your kidneys. Avoiding the 6 foods mentioned above can help reduce the strain on your kidneys, slow down damage, and improve your overall health. Instead, focus on eating a balanced diet that includes fresh vegetables, low-sodium options like leafy greens, cucumbers, and bell peppers, fruits, low-potassium choices like apples, berries, and pears, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread in moderation. Healthy proteins, plant-based proteins, fish, or small portions of lean chicken. Remember, portion control is key, and it's important to stay hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day. Final thoughts. Proteinuria is a serious condition, but you can take steps to manage it and protect your kidneys by eating the right foods and avoiding harmful ones. Cutting back on processed meats, salty foods, sugary drinks, red meat, fried foods, and dairy can make a big difference in slowing down kidney damage. Always work with your doctor or a dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that meets your needs. With the right diet and lifestyle changes, you can take control of your kidney health and improve your quality of life. Your kidneys work hard for you. Make sure to take care of them.